Welcome to AI Toolverse. Every day, millions of searches are made across the internet, but finding accurate information still takes time. What if one AI tool could search the web, analyze trusted sources, and give you a complete answer within seconds? In today's video, we're exploring Perplexity AI, one of the smartest AI-powered search platforms that's changing the future of online research. Let's discover why millions of users are switching to it. What if searching the internet no longer meant opening dozens of websites just to find one accurate answer? Imagine asking a single question and receiving a complete, well-organized response within seconds, backed by reliable sources and real-time information. That future isn't coming, it's already here, and it's called Perplexity AI. Artificial intelligence is changing almost every part of our digital lives, and online search is one of the biggest transformations we're witnessing today. For more than 2 decades, traditional search engines have worked in the same way. You type a question, browse through endless links, compare different websites, and spend valuable time collecting information yourself. While this method has worked for years, it isn't always the fastest or the smartest way to find answers. Perplexity AI introduces a completely different approach. Instead of acting like a traditional search engine, it works as an intelligent AI answer engine. It understands the meaning behind your question, searches trusted sources across the web, analyzes the information, and presents everything in one clear response. No unnecessary clicking. No endless scrolling. Just accurate answers with the sources clearly displayed. This simple idea is exactly why millions of people have started using Perplexity AI for research, learning, writing, coding, and everyday problem solving. Whether you're a student working on assignments, a content creator preparing your next YouTube video, a programmer solving technical problems, or a business professional researching industry trends, Perplexity helps you reach useful information much faster. One of its biggest strengths is that it combines the intelligence of modern AI language models with the power of live internet search. Many AI chatbots depend mostly on previously trained knowledge, but Perplexity takes a smarter approach. Whenever your question requires current information, it searches the web in real time, evaluates multiple trusted sources, and builds an updated answer based on the latest available information. This means you're not only getting an AI-generated response, you're getting an answer supported by real evidence. Another reason behind Perplexity's growing popularity is transparency. Most AI tools simply provide an answer and expect users to trust it, but Perplexity shows exactly where the information came from by providing links to the original sources. This allows users to verify facts, explore topics further, and decide for themselves whether the information is reliable. This feature has made Perplexity especially popular among researchers, journalists, students, educators, and professionals who depend on trustworthy information every day. So how does Perplexity actually work? The process is surprisingly simple. First, it understands the intent behind your question instead of matching individual keywords. Next, it searches the most relevant information using advanced AI models together with live web search whenever needed. Finally, it combines everything into one organized response that's easy to read, easy to understand, and easy to verify. Instead of forcing users to collect information from multiple websites, Perplexity brings everything together in one place. The result is a faster, smarter, and more productive research experience. But finding answers is only the beginning. Perplexity AI offers several powerful features that make it much more than just another AI chatbot. From advanced research tools to multiple AI models, content creation, coding assistance, and business research, it's becoming one of the most complete AI platforms available today. The first feature that truly sets Perplexity AI apart is deep research. Unlike traditional AI assistants that generate quick responses, deep research takes a much more detailed approach. It searches multiple reliable sources, compares information, analyzes different perspectives, and creates a well-structured report within minutes. Research that would normally take hours can often be completed in a fraction of the time. This makes Perplexity an excellent tool for students, professionals, journalists, researchers, and anyone who regularly works with information. Another powerful feature is the ability to switch between different AI models. Every AI model has its own strengths. Some are better at logical reasoning, others at creative writing, coding, or problem solving. Instead of limiting users to a single model, Perplexity allows you to choose the one that best fits your task, giving you greater flexibility and more accurate results. For content creators, this can be a huge advantage. Whether you're writing blog posts, preparing YouTube scripts, creating social media content, or brainstorming new ideas, Perplexity helps you collect reliable information, organize your thoughts, and build high-quality content much faster. Instead of spending hours researching different websites, creators can focus more on creativity and production. Developers also benefit from Perplexity AI. It can explain programming concepts, debug code, compare different programming languages, suggest better solutions, and help developers learn new technologies more efficiently. While it doesn't replace official documentation, it makes finding the right information much faster. Now let's answer one of the biggest questions. How does Perplexity AI compare with ChatGPT, Google Search, and Claude? Let's start with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the world's most popular AI assistants. It's excellent for conversations, brainstorming ideas, creative writing, coding assistance, and solving everyday problems. Perplexity AI, however, has a different primary focus. Its biggest strength is research. By combining advanced AI reasoning with live internet search and source citations, Perplexity provides answers that are not only informative but also easy to verify. Now let's compare it with Google Search. For years, Google has been the standard way people search for information online. But traditional search often requires opening multiple websites before finding the answer you need. Perplexity changes that experience completely. Instead of presenting only links, it summarizes information from trusted sources and delivers one organized response while clearly showing where the information came from. For many users, this means less searching and more learning. Next comes Claude AI. Claude is widely recognized for its excellent writing abilities, long context conversations, and document analysis. It's especially useful when working with lengthy reports or professional documents. Perplexity, on the other hand, shines when current information, live web research, and fact verification are the priority. Rather than competing directly, these AI tools complement each other. Each one is designed for different types of work. Like every AI platform, Perplexity also has limitations. Although its answers are usually accurate, no AI system is perfect. Occasionally, information may be incomplete or require additional verification. That's why users should always review important facts before making critical decisions. AI should assist human intelligence, not replace it. So, is Perplexity AI worth using in 2026 for anyone who values speed, reliable research, transparent sources, and AI-powered productivity? The answer is absolutely yes. Perplexity represents a major step forward in how people discover, understand, and verify information online. But perhaps the most interesting question isn't whether Perplexity will replace Google. The real question is how AI will continue changing the future of search itself. We're moving away from searching through endless pages of links and toward receiving intelligent, personalized answers that save time and improve understanding. Perplexity AI is one of the companies leading that transformation. Whether it becomes the world's most popular search platform or simply inspires the next generation of AI search, its impact is already being felt across education, business, technology, and content creation. The future of search isn't just faster. It's smarter. It's conversational. And it's powered by artificial intelligence. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, tools like Perplexity AI are changing not only how we search for information but also how we learn, work, and make decisions. The future belongs to people who know how to use AI effectively, and understanding these tools today will give you a valuable advantage tomorrow. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Toolverse for more AI tools, technology reviews, and future-focused content. Also, let us know in the comments, would you replace your traditional search engine with Perplexity AI? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next video.